Hey guys, we're going to do part two of the 30-way multi-contour seats for the Lincoln Navigator. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of what I do besides just seat adjustments. So I would go hit settings. I would go to the driver's seat, and there's three sections here. I would slide over to the one that said driver's seat. And here, this is adjustment. So it will correlate here. So this right here, we have I can adjust the top of my lumbar. I can also go to the middle and I can adjust it. I could go to the lower lumbar, adjust it. I also have side of my waist adjustment, and then the lower part of my seat around my thigh adjustments. So you have 3, 4, 5 adjustments there for your lumbar, around your waist and thighs. It also has has massaging seats. So I could tap on massage, and it has an option for circular massage, and basically it's just going around in a circle to massage your back. It has in the bottom of the seat, it also has relax, 3 different levels on all of these. Relax is going to be a zigzag across your back, and then it also will jump down to the bottom of the seat and have more of a roll across. You have recovery, another massaging option. Looks like it's just zigzagging back and forth. Also, 3 different levels. Again, it also does your back as well as the bottom of your seat. You also have rolling. Okay, that feature there is for your back. And then you also have pulse. And then pulse is just pulsating in different spots on your back there as well. All right, so I hope that this helps you see the possibilities of your Lincoln Navigator with your multi-contour seats and all the options that are available for you. You guys have a great day, and remember to get your keys from Karl.